So what up, y'all? Today I'm just gonna be replacing a little side marker on the rear bumper. I got these on eBay. That's what they look like. They're LED and they got the little pony in the middle. They look way better than the original. So all you gotta do is just one thing. You use this, anything else, you just gotta pry this out. So you're just gonna go like in here in the middle and then just pop it out. So it was a little tricky. What I did, I started from the middle and I just wiggled it around. You can see right there. Get it. Then just pull it front. There you go. Now you just gotta twist it. So your new LED ones do plug in where the bulb goes, so you gotta remove the bulb. And also forgot to mention, these do say right and left, so you won't be confused on which is which. Have the side marker lights on, or just unlock your car. And to make sure you're putting it the right way, just put it in for a little bit. If you don't get anything, that means you gotta flip it. Then you see it turned on right there. The tricky part is just being able to stick it in hard enough so it won't come out. So you just gotta mess with that for a little bit. Go. And what you gotta do on this, I just pull this one a little back. It's already pulled back. Start from there first. And you pop it in. Here we go, let's see what it looks like. That looks way better than this shit, yo. So there you have it. Quick little mod that can make your car look 100 times better. On that side, that's what it looks like over here. So yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like, rate, subscribe, and yeah.